Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a forgotten method to get free traffic. Now, even though this method is forgotten, it is still a good source of free traffic. But here is the thing, with this method, you cannot promote direct affiliate links. You need to start a blog or a website. So if you are a beginner, there is a free alternative. So what you need to do? You simply need to come here on Google homepage, and then here in upper right corner, click on these dots, okay? And then scroll here and then click here on Blogger. And here you can create a free blog. Just click here on create your blog or simply click here on sign in. And you will sign in with your Gmail account, and like I said, it is 100% free. After you log in, simply click here and then click here on new blog and you will create a new blog. And if you have your custom domain, all you have to do is just go here on settings and then scroll here on publishing, and here you can see custom domain and you can add your own custom domain. After you create your blog and add your custom domain, all you have to do is just start publishing articles. Now, here is the thing, when you start publishing articles, you need traffic. So today I'm going to show you a good source of free traffic, and that website is called Flipboard. And when we come here on SEMrush, we will see that last month, Flipboard got 4 million visits. On average, Flipboard is getting 4 million monthly visits. Most of their users are actually coming from highly developed countries, which means this is actually a good source of free traffic. Now, Flipboard is a bookmarking website. Now, stay with me till the end of this video because I'm going to explain to you how bookmarking websites are still working, okay? So what you need to do, you need to come on Flipboard homepage, and here you can see this is a bookmarking website. So all you have to do is just click here on Try Flipboard, and you can click here on View in Browser, and you can create your account, free account. Just click here on Sign Up. It is really simple process. After that, you will come to your dashboard, and this is how your dashboard will look. Here you can see For You. This is what they are actually suggesting me to read. Here you can see different articles. You can also click here on Daily Edition, and here you can see Daily Edition. Here you can click on Trending and see what is currently trending on Flipboard, and most of the times this is also trending on Google as well. Also, you can click here and then click here on Explore More, and here you can see topics, and here you can see which of these topics are most popular. News, 82 million readers, science, 26 million readers, and so on and so on. You can also click here on search, and you can search by hashtags or by the keyword. And also, when you click here, you will see your profile. Here you can see my magazines, topics. Here you can see profiles that I'm following. Here you can see profiles, magazines, and here you can see videos. Also, when I click here and when I click here on profile, here you can see I have 43 flips, 4 magazines, and here you can see I'm actually following 7 people and only 1 person is following me. So you are probably wondering right now, well, how do I actually get traffic? So what you can do is you can simply create your magazine. Magazines are basically what the boards are on Pinterest. Just click here on create a new magazine and you can create a new magazine. It is that simple. Now, to get traffic, you need to share your link. Here you can see I'm following 7 people and 1 person is following me. The more followers you have, the more people will see your new posts. So try to get as many followers as you can. So what you need to do, you simply need to share a link from your website in appropriate magazine, in appropriate board. To do that, simply click here on create a flip. Then here you need to choose a board, a magazine. So let's say I wish to publish in cars. Here you can see when I click on sport, here you will see this check mark sign. So that means I choose this board, this magazine. So I will click here on cars. So now I need to share a link. So I already found a link. So let me just close this and I will simply copy this link. Go back on Flipboard and here you can see you have different options. I will click here on this little chain and here I will paste my link. Click here on OK, and here I can actually add something. I can say something about this post, or if you don't want to say anything, just click here on add and that's it. You will add this post. When I go here on cars, here you will see this is the post. This is the latest post. They actually use the latest post as the timeline image. Here you can see these are my posts. And you can also see here likes and so on and so on. You can even download this. So you can also, when I go here on my page and when I go here on my flips, here you can see I actually got 11 flips. 11 people flipped this post here. So I'm starting to get a traffic. And also when I click here, I can see analytics for my board. Here you can see there is currently no analytics because there is no traffic. I just started this. And like I said, this is how you can get traffic. Now, here you're probably thinking right now, well, this website is getting only 4 million monthly visits. It doesn't really matter because this is how bookmarking websites work. People, if they are willing to bookmark your post, they are willing to come back and read that post again and again and again. And not just that, but they're also willing to share your article with their friends and family because they bookmark that post, which means it is important, or they are actually finding that post useful and they will share it on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter, on related forums and so on because they wish to share that article with other people because like I said, because they actually bookmarked it, they found it useful, they found it interesting, so they actually wish to share that. And that is why you need to start bookmarking your website on Flipboard because like I said, the more followers you get, the more people will bookmark your posts and the more people will share your posts with their friends and you will start getting much more traffic. So even though this website is getting only 4 million monthly visits, potential is much bigger. I'm still using bookmarking websites because I'm getting good traffic. I also use forums because forums are great source of targeted free traffic. So this is what you need to do if you wish to get free traffic for affiliate marketing. Start your own blog or a website and start bookmarking articles from that blog on Flipboard and you will start getting traffic. You will start getting free traffic.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.